फॉर द इंटरप्शन। ओके, नाउ हमने अब ये बात कर लिया था पपीज एज और वेरिएबल वैल्यूज, दैट इज 2। ओके, सो नाउ हम देखते हैं सोर्स फाइल डिक्लेरेशन रूल्स एज द लास्ट as the last part of the section. Let's now look into the source file declaration rules. These rules are essential when declaring classes, import statements, and packages statements in a source file. There can be only one picture, only one public class per source file. ठीक है, a source file can have multiple non public classes. देख रहे हो कैसे बोलने का क्या मतलब है? नॉन पब्लिकल क्लास, बिल्कुल यही मतलब ये होता है, बिल्कुल ऊपर वाले की तरह ही है। the public the public class name should be the name of the source as the file with as well, which should be appended by Java at the end. For example, the class name is public class employee, then the source file should be as employee.java. If the class is defined inside a package, then the package statement should be the first statement in the source file. If import statements are present, then they must be written between the package statement and the class declaration. If there are no package statement, then the import statement as should be the first line in the source file. Import and package statements will apply to all the classes present in the source file. It is not possible to declare different import and or package statement to be different classes in the source file. So ये सब बस पढ़ने वाला था, नोट्स वोट्स बना लेना इसके। Classes have several access levels and there are different types of classes: abstract classes, final classes, etc. We will be explaining about all these in access modifier chapters. Apart from the above mentioned type of classes, Java also have some special classes called inner classes and anonymous classes. Okay, now we'll talk about the Java package and then Java statement. Okay, now let's start. Java package. In simple word, it is a way of categorizing the classes and interfaces. When developing applications in Java, hundreds of classes and interfaces will be written. Therefore, categorizing these classes is a must as well as makes life much easier. Import statement. In Java, if a fully qualified names which includes the packages and the class name is given, then the compiler can easily locate the source code or classes. Import statements is a way of giving the proper location for the compiler to find the particular classes. For example, the following lines would ask the compiler to load all the classes available in the directory Java